Welcome back. Today I'm doing something a little bit different than I normally do. I want to share a little bit about my journey in decluttering and being a happier mama and being a happier person. I also want to tell you about someone who has helped me with this journey and continues to help me with this journey. Her name is Allie Casazza. I was introduced to her by a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Caitlin. So I will link Allie Casazza and I will link Caitlin. And I'm all about wanting to move forward and become more of a minimal mama, have an uncluttered house, something that's easy to keep up with, something that will not stress me out or have me becoming one of them crazy psycho mamas that yell at their kiddos because they need to pick up their toys, and most of them they don't really even play with. I purchased Allie's program, Your Uncluttered Home. It has a ton of lessons that you go through. Most of them are recordings that you listen to. Allie kind of goes through her house and what minimal looks like to her in her home. She shows you a few rooms in her house that what an uncluttered home is to her, and it really has helped her and a ton of other mamas out there. She really has a special message, and I'm so excited to bring you guys along on my journey to declutter my house. Really, we're trying to minimalize here. We're trying to get rid of things, to get rid of all that weight off your shoulders, mama, and just set you free. So I am so excited to get started. The first room that comes up in her course is the bathroom. So I went ahead and listened to her tutorial on the bathroom last night before I went to bed. Let's get started. I'm really excited. I'm motivated. I'm going to get in this bathroom. I'm going to completely declutter it. The only thing I'm going to have left is the bare minimum. So if y'all are ready to declutter and start this journey with me, then let's go ahead and jump into this. So this is our entryway into our bathroom, and I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you my bathroom in all its glory. So this is what I have to work with. I have these storage baskets, and I really love the look of them, and I think they're super adorable. The only thing is it doesn't seem to work for our family, but I think the reason why is because we have too much junk. So I have all of this, and as you can imagine, it definitely, it gets everywhere. I try to pull something out and it just falls on the ground. Nothing is working. Yeah, so we don't have a big area. This is my medicine cabinet. This is what we got going on here. I'll show you down below. This is what we got going on here. Another one of those wicker baskets. I have these storage bins here. We're trying to potty train, so we have a little toilet seat. My makeup. Ooh, Jaclyn Hill palette. I love this, you guys. One of my favorites. Over here, we have my sign that I love to read. It's a good day to have a good day. Of course, Joanna Gaines inspired. This is my shower. You guys, this is dirty. I'm going to go ahead and clean it when I declutter. This is everything we have in here. Like, seriously. Who needs all of these bottles here? Oh, and here's a brush. Yes, that fell. We have our little loofahs. So yes, this is everything that we have in this bathroom. I have another bathroom not working right at this moment. We're in the process of starting to remodel that bathroom. I do have a few things in there that I keep for storage, but that's going to be coming out as well. I'm going to go through all of that while I'm going through this bathroom just to get everything decluttered and out of here. I'm so ready to kick this mess, so ready to not have to worry about all of this junk everywhere consuming my life. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so tampons, we'll go ahead and keep these. All right, so Allie says that we should have 3 bags in total. So 1 for keep, 1 for throw away, and 1 for giveaway. So let me go grab some bags. All right, so I got my bag. All right, you guys, I just want to kind of touch base and show you what I've done so far. I'm about halfway done, and this is what we have. So I decided a little compartment for a different person or set of people. So this is my husband's, and he has his deodorant, his cologne, and his shaving cream. These are things he uses, he likes, and enjoys. These are the things that he needs. So this compartment is for the kiddos. I have the boys' combs, just 2 of them. I have this one and this one. That is it. We won't keep any more. This is their hair wax or hair wax gel stuff. This is their detangling spray I use every morning. And then in here I have these washcloths that are magic washcloths that they use in the shower, and they enjoy using these, but I had so much stuff in here I wasn't able even to know how many I had and what I didn't even know pretty much that they were in here. So I have a lot of those, 4 of those, and we'll be sure to use them now. This one is mine, so I have my dry shampoo, mom life, right? My comb, my pick, I love that. I have my hair oil, I use almost daily, my mousse, and my favorite brush that I like, and some bobby pins, and some hair ties. So that's what I have in here. I don't think it's too bad. I don't know about it sticking up and how I like that, but for right now, that works, and it's definitely more manageable and more minimal. I got rid of so much stuff that this is what we had, a whole empty basket, and I just put our extra toilet paper in there. In here we have our flossers, which we use every day. We have Rosalind's toothpaste and an extra toothpaste that accidentally got opened because we couldn't find the other one because we had so much stuff. This is for my water pick, and this is like extra strength toothpaste that you can use like once a week or so. These are my husband's grooming tools. This is an extra razor that we just had laying around. I think my sister might have left, but it's brand new and clean, so just in case they need that, easy grab. And then these are some of the cups for the kiddos when they use their mouthwash or when they rinse their mouth out. Here we have our toothbrushes, my husband's toothbrush. This is for my son. He's too short to look in the mirror, so this helps him brush his teeth. Our toothpaste, mouthwash, and this is my face wash. All right, now we're getting into this crazy shower that has more than enough of everything in it. And we're gonna clean this up, get rid of some stuff, and declutter and purge, as Allie says. I got my bag, about to throw some things away.
Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light.
These are 2 brand new body washes for my husband. Why did we buy this many? Who knows? So it's the next day. Things got a little crazy when I got the kids from school and football practice and all that fun stuff. So today Sorry, I have the hiccups. So today I'm going to be finishing my decluttering, and I'm also going to be scrubbing this shower down with my handy dandy Kaboom with OxyClean, my scrub brush, a little sponge, and a tiny toothbrush. You got the hiccupies too? That's so funny. I have hiccups. Rosalind has hiccups. I'm going to get in here, scrub this shower, clean the bathroom, take you guys along with it, and then finish decluttering this bathroom and the other bathroom.
I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart.
Major results with this. And you can see every time you scrub it, it kind of gets more and more off. This is some good stuff. Okay, you guys, so this is the after. I've went through everything. Sorry, my alarm is beeping. I went through everything. I scrubbed everything. Got all of that grime and buildup out of the bottom of the floor where it meets the pan. But that definitely makes me feel so much better. All right, so I have it all picked up, cleaned from top to bottom, organized, purged, and gone through. Like I said, this bathroom is used for the whole family right now. So we don't have two bathrooms. This is our only bathroom. So I think we're doing really good to keep it pretty minimal in here. I already went through this basket yesterday. But I'm going to take you below the cabinet so you can see. I just have our Lysol wipes, and this is for emergencies, and it's also one of my son's chores to wipe the bathroom counter down every night and morning after they brush their teeth, and he uses that. Of course, peroxide and alcohol, we use these almost on a daily basis, so we really do have to keep that in here. So in here is where, I know it's kind of dark, but if I move these out of the way. So in here is where I keep my hair stuff. So I have my hair dryer, my straightener, and my wand in here. So I have those. Those are the only ones I use, so that's all I have. And I decided to kind of hide these dryer sheets all over my bathroom. So we'll see if that makes it have a long-lasting, like clean laundry smell in here. So I have my kids' extra mouthwash cups for brushing their teeth are there. And I also have our loofahs in a bag right there. We go through those at least once a month. We switch out our loofahs, and so we go through those quite often. In here we have my husband's trimmers, shaver, and his charger for his toothbrush. And down here is my, feminine products. I keep them there for easy access. And I also have my water pick charger down here. And that's it, you guys. That's all we have in this small bathroom. I really did try to purge down a lot. I always feel like I could purge more, but I don't want to get rid of too much where my husband's like, okay, this is getting kind of crazy. But yeah, it makes me feel so good. And that's the thing about purging and not having a lot. It makes it where you want to clean more often. All right, you guys, so that was everything. I have my bathrooms decluttered. Thank you again, you guys. I truly do appreciate you watching and subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. Have a beautiful day, loves. Bye.